This is Chef Winnie here from Smoke Queen BBQ. This is my smoked Peking duck with house barbecue sauce. You need to try this. We're gonna make the poaching liquid, and this is the secret to tightening up that skin. To add the color to the skin, I'm adding Lee Kum Kee Premium Dark Soy Sauce as well. This adds a hint of caramel note that is iconic to roasted duck. The poaching liquid has two purposes. First is to tighten up the skin, and the second is to add that extra flavor in the skin. You know, when I wrote my cookbook, Chinese American Barbecue, I wanted to make sure that I made it true to my heritage and my cultural background, but also related to the American barbecue culture. Now I'm gonna make my house barbecue sauce, and this is my little secret ingredient here for the sauce. It gives it that punch of umami and a little spiciness, some salinity. And now that we blended the spicy soybean sauce with the ketchup, we're going to cook it down. The hoisin sauce actually gives it a little bit of a nutty flavor and a little bit of sweetness. And I'm gonna add some black vinegar from Lee Kum Kee as well. I've always seen this label in my grandma's kitchen. I gravitate towards it just because I know and I trust that this brand is known for its quality. And that's how you make my smoked Peking duck with house barbecue sauce. Find recipes like this and 100 more in my cookbook, Chinese American Barbecue. I'm gonna dip it in my house barbecue sauce.